wow. Good morning.
Hey, how you doing?
Hi, good. You don't mind if I record, do you?
Ma'am?
You don't mind if I record on my phone?
It's gonna be a long video. You might want to just...
Go. Uncovering. Oh, there's 2 holes. I just realized that.
Yeah, so this one will be your primary chamber that your solids go into.
Okay.
And then this will be where your liquids go into.
Okay.
There's a baffle between them.
Okay. And it doesn't smell, right? Like too bad when you open it?
It could potentially stink pretty bad.
Okay, I'll stay over here.
You might want to get a big breath. Get upwind. Which way wind?
I probably want to be over there.
You want to be over there?
Yeah, it's fine. I'll hold my breath. Let's see. Open that one.
And you're working with Wallace Piper?
Yes. Uh-oh, let's see.
Ooh.
Oh, don't say that. Oh, that looks pretty bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's get a closer look. Let's see.
And we'll document it. Everything will be in the report with photos.
So is that the bacteria's not doing its job?
No, it's just the way it looks.
Oh.
They all look different. It was time for a good pump.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, not only can we not see everything by not pumping, but
Yeah.
they pretty much need pumping anyway. So let's go ahead and
Yeah, that
do
baffle.
everything at once where you know what's going on.
That baffle doesn't look too good either. That's the baffle right there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll just take a look.
Little.
So, yeah. All right, I'm just gonna. People don't want to see this. Okay. Wow.
I would do this one first.
Don't drop your phones.
Yeah. It's always a
Yeah.
concern. Because it ain't no getting it back.
Oh man, that's no. And even if you did, I wouldn't use it. Okay. Yeah, that looks. This is where it comes in from the house. That right there. Well, that's all poop and stuff. And I don't want to know what the stuff is, but it looks like it needed a good cleaning. So yeah, we're gonna pump it today and get it inspected. Okay. And then this is the baffle, which needs replacement. We'll definitely bring that up. Alright. So this is going to stir up the smell, isn't it? Probably. I'm going to pump it. Just pumping it right there. Do you guys also do repairs?
Yes, ma'am.
You do? Okay.
But before any septic repair can be done, the county has to actually write a repair permit. So you can take our report, if there is any repairs or anything like that needed, depending on what we see, it may or may not be something the county has to get involved with.
Okay.
Like if a tank or something like that has to be replaced, or lines have to be replaced or something, they
Yeah.
have to get involved. But like knocking
Okay.
off this concrete wall right here and putting new filter on it, we can do that without them getting involved.
Okay. there shouldn't be any solids on this side, right? This should all be liquid.
Well, you're gonna have a little sludge on this side, but no,
Yeah.
there should, most of your solids is gonna go into that side. Now, some systems that don't have a baffle wall, it will let the solids go to both sides. But looking at this one, you've got a baffle wall right there.
That looks like. It's emptying from this side. This is why it's good to pump your tanks, guys. Because of this stuff right here. Not too bad. Oh, I see. Yeah, I see how it's blocking it's blocking the stuff from coming in here. It's so full. So he's just stirring up the solid stuff on that side over there. Because that's very solid. Toilet paper. Oh no. That's the truck that's taking it all. Yeah. Flow Water Solutions, there's their number. You can see it. Not out of Creedmoor, North Carolina. Guys, no gloves, no, scissors. I think he's refilling it with some, let's just call it poop juice, because it's so solid. So now it's coming out, cleaning it up, coming out this side. I'm not gonna be down there right now. So that's filling up. And cleaning up the solids from the other side. And I'm wearing my mask, but it does smell
Good?
quite a bit.
Yeah, probably so.
This is filling up now. You can see. Oh, definitely stirs up the smell. Alright, if you don't... It's pretty strong. Alright, we're just gonna pause for a second so I can take a breath.
You know, when they backfill to the house.
It's nasty. So he just has to keep filling it with poop juice because it's so hard. Baffle needs to be replaced.
See that pipe right there? This thin wall.
So he's basically just gonna keep filling it up until he can get all the solids out.
Yeah, it's definitely full.
It's a lot of solids in there.
Yeah, you definitely make the right call.
A lot of toilet paper, a lot of
poo.
poo. Yeah, this thing's probably never been pumped ever.
Probably not. And then, you know, they didn't do their maintenance.
Yeah.
And you move in, that totally starts flushing them off. You know?
Look at all that poo. I'm just gonna back off for a bit.
Come get that shovel.
Okay, I'm gonna move out of the way. Oh, goodness. A lot of pressure. That.
We just got to make a smoothie with it.
Don't say that.
Got to mix everything up so we can get it out. Because you can't pump dirt. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I can totally get what you're saying.
Smoothie.
A poop smoothie. It's, I think we've seen enough here. Basically, you need to clean that out completely. How the truck bounces when it pumps. It's not pumping right now. Look, it's bouncy, bouncy. Look how it bounces.
Makes one line into two. And it's supposed to apply the waste equally.
To the drain
Yeah.
field or whatever.
So sometimes you might have 5 lines where you only have 2. You could have unlimited lines on there.
Yeah, so this is supposed to like go all the way down or something?
No, that's it.
Oh,
So
okay.
it looks like the tank is, that it's deteriorating, kind of like that the
Yeah.
filter in there. So what I want to do is just clean it up a little bit and filter it and just pump this out. That's another advantage. So
It's mostly full of dirt and sand, right? Yeah, okay.
This is another advantage. You get pumped at the same time because most time we just record on this and cover it back up. So, and it's got roots in it.
Yeah, I noticed there's roots coming into that first tank too.
So this box is really deteriorated.
Oh, it's not good.
That root is going through the box itself.
Hmm.
I mean, I don't even know how dirt could get in.
So this would eventually would have clogged these pipes.
Yeah, and then it shortens the life of your drain field. Because if that gets in your drain field, it ain't no cleaning it out. You're done deal. You put new drain field on it. They see how the box is deteriorating.
Yeah, it's not holding the stuff out.
And what happens, the reason this deteriorates quicker and the reason that filter thing there deteriorates quicker is exposed to gases. Where the rest of the tank is protected by liquid and it ain't exposed to the same gases.
And this is all concrete, right?
Yeah, it used to be concrete.
It used to be.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Them gases are just really corrosive.
This is distribution box.